Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the essentials of navigating the wild world of cryptocurrencies. Today, we're tackling a super straightforward topic: how to follow assets on CoinMarketCap. If you're new to this, CoinMarketCap is like the go-to dashboard for tracking crypto prices, market caps, and more. It's a must-have tool for anyone serious about investing or just staying in the loop. Why bother following assets? Well, it keeps you updated with real-time alerts, price changes, and news, so you never miss a beat in the fast-paced crypto market. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your CoinMarketCap account. If you don't have one, it's quick and free. Head to the website and sign up using your email or social media. Once you're in, start by searching for the cryptocurrency you want to follow. Just type the name or ticker symbol, like Bitcoin or BTC, into the search bar at the top of the page. Hit enter, and you'll see a detailed page for that asset. Now, on the assets page, look for the Follow button. It's usually right near the top, maybe next to the price chart or the asset's logo. Click that button, and you'll be prompted to confirm. Boom! You're now following it. To manage your follows, head over to your profile or the Watchlist section. Here, you can add more assets, remove ones you're no longer interested in, or even set up notifications for price drops or surges. One quick tip: make sure to customize your notifications in the settings menu so you get alerts via email or app. It's a game changer for timely decisions. And remember, following assets doesn't cost a dime. It's all about staying informed without the hassle. There you have it, folks. Following on CoinMarketCap is easy and empowers you to track your favorites like a pro. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay tuned for our next video, and happy investing. See you soon.